I'm gonna do is just see, set the screen off. I'm about to see. It's not coming on. Alright, I'm back. It's the same day as the informative video of telling you what all I was going to do. I just happened to clip with scissors, and I have the case. This is my phone is old, so don't come at me because my phone is old and and I'm keeping a phone that's old. If you know the price of the phone, I ain't up here trying to get another phone, because the phones that they want to give away for the cheap price, to me they look crappy. I want to say the S word, but that's what it is. So with this one, it's to the Moto G Stylus, the 2020 version. Obviously, they came out with other versions, so they just go by the year that it came out. My phone was the 2020 version, Moto G Stylus. That's this one right here. And on the back, that's how my thing looks. So what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to power it off. I'm not going to power it off. Let me sit you down real quick. Okay. I'm taking out this case. Alright. In fact, no, I don't want to show you that. So what I'm going to do, because it ain't really like sticking, because I already took it apart already. Try to keep all the stickiness. Be careful, because that is attached to the thing and you can rip it. I've done it, I think, on the other one, because this phone that I'm recording on has the same thing. Hold on. So again, as you can see, the only thing I'm finna do is unscrew this real quick. Let me go grab that real quick. So, I'm not going to have it on this entire time for me to take out these screws, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. And I'm going to take them apart. And I'll probably have y'all with me for a few screws, but not all of them, because I said I wasn't gonna have y'all on here the whole time. Maybe, well, it's too late for me to say that. I was gonna say this part. Maybe fast forward it. Okay, so the only thing I'm doing, is taking it off. Be careful, right? Only thing I'm doing, I don't even need to take that off. I'm not gonna even be in here that long. I'm just going to, let me get the screen out first. Show y'all real quick what's in my. I'm gonna show y'all real quick what's in my casing. So this one comes with. Yes, I did go with a different supplier this time, just because I thought that the phone that they gave me was faulty, and at one point it really wasn't operable for me to even touch that screen. So I'm gonna put you back. Okay. So again, I'm pulling it out. Let me try to change the lighting. Let me see if I still need lighting. Okay, I think y'all can still see. Or was it better? I don't know. So me, this is what it looks like. And all I'm doing, I'm not changing the screen because it seems to work now. But I do have a backup if this does work. Let me see what this. So, see when it's working. So this is the correct screen. But I'm gonna just cut the screen off real quick. And what I'm gonna do is just see, shut the screen off. I'm about to see. It's not coming on. No, I don't want to take that off. Let's see. So this This is just the other screen. It's working. Let's see what it do. I gotta take this one, so. Alright, so. I'm a Metro girl. Let's see. Okay. I just need to make sure everything comes on. Okay, so you see that it works. I'm finna cut it off. I'll just cut it off. And put it back in the... I'm putting it back in the thing. Back in its box. So I put everything back. The box is at the bottom. And the tools is in here. So, I gave you that video real quick. Please be patient before for the video on the phone I'm recording on to replace this screen so I could stop dealing with the bouncy screen, not letting me cut it off because it's jumpy and it's touching stuff that I'm not touching. So I will be back. Just like I said, I don't have a saying yet. Take care, be calm, relax, and see you next time. Peace.